Hey everybody, Nick Parros here with Action Water Sports, and today I have a few tips and reminders for you while you're out there wake surfing on your mastercraft. Number one, please stay at least 200 feet away from shore while you're surfing. The better water is out towards the middle, deeper parts of the lake anyway, so let's stay out there. Number two, please keep your music at a respectable level. I know the audio system in these mastercrafts is amazing. I know you want everyone to hear your music, but just keep everyone in mind, have fun out there, make sure everyone else on shore is having fun too. And third, try to minimize repetitive passes. Don't go up and down the same line all day. Try to change it up, use the whole lake, and make sure that you're showing everyone your nice boat and your cool moves out on the lake. Have fun out there. If you need more information, check out actionwater.com, check out the Learning Center, or check out our YouTube page. Until then, we'll see you out on the water.